Jai Hind everyone, myself Pragati Pandey, your maths teacher, and I'm here with a new video and with a new chapter. Okay, so with the help of this online class, we have gone through the three chapters, that is integer, then after we have completed fraction, and after that we have completed data handling. And now our fourth chapter is rational number, and now we are going to start our fourth chapter, that is rational number. So first thing is that you should remember all the three chapters which have been completed till now, because these fractions and these integers are basically used in this rational number, so you have to aware of that previous chapters. Now let's start our chapter rational number. Okay, so this is our chapter rational number. Okay, so in the earlier classes, we have learnt about the system of natural number, whole number, integers and fraction. So first of all, we have to revise that what is natural numbers. So you know that natural numbers basically starts from 1 and ends to infinite. Okay. Now whole numbers, those numbers which include 0 with natural numbers, that means all the natural numbers including 0 are whole numbers. Integers are the number having some sign, that is positive and negative sign, these are integers. And fraction, any number which is written in the form of p by q are fraction. So we shall recall them here and take a further study of rational number. Now we are going to discuss rational number which include this whole number, integers and fraction in it. Okay, so first thing is the real number system. Basically it is a type of number system in which we are going to learn rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, so you can see here in the diagram there is a flow chart, that is real number, which is further divided into two parts, that is rational number and irrational numbers. Numbers in the form of p by q, where q is not equals to 0 and p and q are the integers. Basically ऐसे नंबर जो p by q के फॉर्म में लिखे जा रहे हो जब डिनोमिनेटर 0 के बराबर ना हो. अगर डिनोमिनेटर 0 हो जाता है किसी भी नंबर का, तो जब आप किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो उसका रिज़ल्ट हमेशा इनफाइनाइट होता है. तो अगर हम q को डिनोमिनेटर को 0 कर दे रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है जो नंबर होगा, मान लीजिए यहाँ पे आपने 5 रखा और नीचे आपने 0 रखा, अगर 0 से 5 को आप डिवाइड करते चले जाएंगे तो कभी भी आपको एक होल नंबर नहीं मिलेगा. तो मतलब रैशनल नंबर ऐसे नंबर होते हैं विच कैन बी रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p बाई q, वेयर q विल नेवर बी 0. q किसी भी कंडीशन में 0 नहीं हो सकता. अगर 0 हुआ तो रिजल्टेंट वैल्यू हमारी इनफाइनाइट होगी. अगर यहाँ पे 15 हमने रखा p को, q को हमने 3 रखा, तो 3 विल कट 15 एंड गिव 5 एज अ आंसर विच इज़ अ होल नंबर. ओके, बट अगर 0 हमने q के जगह पे 0 रख दिया तो वो होल नंबर नहीं मिलेगा हमें रिजल्ट में. सो ऐसे नंबर विच आर बेसिकली अ होल नंबर, ओके, these are integers, they should be integers, that is p and q should be integers, are rational number. Basically rational number ऐसे नंबर होते हैं जब उनको p by q के फॉर्म में रखा जाए तो हमें एक रिजल्टेंट वैल्यू होल नंबर मिले, हमें कोई भी इनफाइनाइट की कंडीशन वाली वैल्यू ना मिले. ओके, ऐसे नंबर जो होते हैं वो रैशनल नंबर होते हैं और वहीं पर उनमें p by q जो हो वो इंटीजर्स हो. The decimal representation of rational number are either terminating or non-terminating repeating. So this terminating and non-terminating we will read further. Now we will read the irrational numbers. Numbers which are not in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. इरेशनल नंबर्स ऐसे नंबर होते हैं जिनको p बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में मत ना रखा जाए। जैसे कि आपने देखा रैशनल नंबर में क्या था, अगर आपने 15 ले लिया तो आपने 15 को क्या किया, 15/3 लिख दिया। तो इसको, या 15 होल नंबर है उसके नीचे आपने 1 रख दिया, कुछ नहीं होता तो हम 1 मानते हैं, तो उसको p बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में रखा गया, तो वो रैशनल नंबर है। 15/3 है, हमको 5 रिजल्ट दे रहा है, तो वो रैशनल नंबर है। लेकिन वही इरेशनल नंबर जिनको p बाई क्यू के फॉर्म में ना रखा जाए, ऐसे नंबर इरेशनल नंबर होते हैं। जैसे कि रूट्स के, √2, √3, √4, 3, √11, यू कैन सी इन द एग्जाम्पल। दिस टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स आर इरेशनल नंबर, मतलब वो एक होल नंबर की कंडीशन को ना फॉलो करें। ओके, नाउ the decimal representation of irrational numbers is non-terminating and non-repeating। बेसिकली रैशनल नंबर की कंडीशन में टर्मिनेटिंग हो सकते हैं और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग भी हो सकते हैं, लेकिन इरेशनल नंबर की कंडीशन में ये नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग या नॉन रिपीटिंग होंगे। लेट्स सी फर्दर। यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रियल नंबर। रियल नंबर इज़ द होल सर्कल एंड इट इज़ ऑफ 2 टाइप्स, that is rational number and irrational number. In rational number we include integers, whole number, natural numbers, all the things, okay? But in real numbers there is only irrational number, that is root types of numbers, okay? But in real number we have rational number, that is p by q form, integers, that is negative sign, and whole numbers, that is from 0 to infinite, and natural number, that is 1 to infinite, okay? So these numbers are included in real number system, okay? Now first is natural number. The counting number are called natural numbers. 1 2 3 4 etc. are natural numbers. Whole number, you know that all natural numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. 0 1 2 3 4 5 to infinite. Note, every natural number is a whole number, but 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number, you know that. Now integers, all natural numbers, 0 and negative of natural numbers are called integers, you know that. Positive integers, you know, that have positive sign, and negative integers that have negative sign. Note, 0 is an integer which is neither positive and not negative. Fraction, the number which is written in the form of p by q, where p and q are natural numbers, are called fraction, okay? Now rational number, the number of the form p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equals to 0 is called rational number. I have already told you example 11/12, 16/17, -2 by -3, 0 1 2, all are rational numbers. Now positive natural numbers. Positive natural numbers are those whose resultant value will be positive. The rational number is said to be positive if both of its numerator and denominator are of same sign, either positive or negative. You can see here. Now we will move to negative rational number. Rational number is said to be negative rational number if both of its numerator and denominator are of different sign. So basically those numbers have sign different, that is numerator and denominator have different sign. These are negative rational numbers, okay? So we will learn equivalent rational number in the next video, okay? Your assignment work is, with the help of this video, you have to write the definition of negative natural number, positive rational number, then after negative integer, positive integer, whole number, natural number, then after you have to write real number and rational and irrational number, okay? This is your assignment work. You have to prepare notes on this chapter, okay? You have to prepare note and you have to find the terminating and non-terminating numbers, repeating and non-repeating numbers, its definition and its meaning you have to find out. So this is your assignment work. We will discuss other things in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, class.